Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. I your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're new right on over here, special welcome to you. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning, manners and respect. And if you're hearing thunder in the background, it act like a fire and look like rain out for come down. But this rain has got to come good for cool down this heat. Now in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a mac and cheese pie. For me, mac and cheese pie. I don't make a macaroni and cheese pie very often. One, it's very pricey to do in Jamaica. Two, me not supposed to I consume so much cholesterol very often, so probably once every year or sometimes once every 2 years. That's how I do it. When I was younger, I would do it more often, but no, I don't do it so often. But I did one for about a month ago. I posted it on Instagram, and I haven't done one for the past probably about 4 years. Camera girl, we don't do it often. It's been a long time. So as I posted it up, somebody asked, Debbie, this is on your YouTube channel? No, it's not on there. So I'm going to be sharing it with you, what I did. A mac and cheese pie. The very first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Celsius, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, or 375 degrees, no, 350, wow, the heat is on. 350 Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. That's the very first thing you want. I said pie. You want to have your pie dish. And a pie dish is something that is always at every bottom, heavily greased. Now, you want to have your macaroni cooked and cool. I did cook my macaroni ahead of time. Because, you know, I wanted my macaroni to be cool. I want to deal with my macaroni on a cool basis. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm using some eggs, and I'm going to put the egg in the macaroni, and I scramble macaroni and something all of that. When I know them sitting there. So my macaroni, I used 32 ounces, 2 pounds of uncooked macaroni, and this was the finished product. This is what I have. I cooked my macaroni with a little salt because I'm going to be using some salted butter to make my little macaron, my cheese sauce. Now, I did not cook it with any oil. I'm not cook it with no oil. So, this is what it looks like. Okay? So, let us proceed now to start our cheese sauce. And whilst our cheese sauce is going on, we will come back to the macaroni, because we're going to be beating our eggs and incorporating it into our macaroni whilst our cheese sauce is being made to cool. Alright? So make we deal with the cheese sauce first of all. That makes sense. Gonna get our flame up right here to about medium. We are using 1 stick of salted butter. This one says salted butter, and this is not margarine, this is butter this time. Let me find little butter somewhere. So we are going to melt our butter in there. Whilst our butter is melting, let's come right here and let me introduce to you the cheeses that I'll be using. I'm using 3 types of cheese. I'm using some cream cheese, I'm using some mild cheddar, and I'm using some mozzarella. Okay? I'm using here a tin of evaporated milk. Also, I'll be having some water to back me up if I want a little extra liquid. Okay, so leaving our butter there to melt. So every now and then you want to come and make sure you are paying your butter some mind. What if people want to do mac and cheese? People want to do it. Some people want to shy away from it. But me, I come with it that you know can't do it if you don't want to do it. You see what I'm saying? Because you know when I come, I try to make it, even if it look like it's complicated, me try and make it look well I can deal with it. Once that is happening, we ain't got any time to waste. So we are going to go right here now. Beat our 3 eggs, 3 fresh eggs. And in order to know when they're fresh, when you break them, the yolk are supposed to stay in place. Also in your oven here, make sure you wrap if you don't have a cookie sheet, make sure you wrap your oven wrap with some foil paper. Let's clean it up. And you know, macaroni and cheese and something they always go over at the stove, so you just tear off the foil, easy cleaning up. Let us put this inside here. This is what I'm gonna be doing. So let us, okay, now butter, fully melted, evaporated milk right in. We're not on too much of a high heat. You just want to go slow, and we can just rinse our evaporated milk in with just a little water, not a lot. Put it in there. Okay? On the medium, you want to put in your cream cheese and let it melt on the medium. You don't want to get it going. And remember, your saucepan, the bottom must be heavy. You know, so you want to leave your cream cheese in there. I hope I'm not going too fast for you. So we're going to come back over here. You're riding and whistling because you're here. So you're going to use your egg now to make sure your egg is going to loosen. Your egg mixture is going to loosen up your cooked macaroni. Yeah, riding and whistling. I hope you get the message in. So look at me here. I've distributed my 3 beaten eggs right through, and you see how loose my macaroni has become. Yeah, man, that's how we deal with everything. So I'm saying, okay. All right, now let us look what is happening. Cheese is melting and all of that. Let us go now, melt the cheese some more. So when we return, this cream cheese should be properly melted in this butter and this milk mixture. When we come back, we'll be adding these two, the mozzarella and the mild cheddar. Soon come. We are back, and our cream cheese has been properly melted. The cream cheese takes some time to melt whilst you're constantly stirring. Then when it's finished, this is how your sauce will look. Creamy and nice. Now, you want to make sure that you have your other cheeses ready. Like that, coming down to low. Don't want it too boiling. And also, what I really wanted to say was that some people would want to ask me, Debbie, you didn't use a flour to make? No, this is mostly flour. So I don't need any flour to put it together in the sauce. Let us put in our mozzarella now, and we are going to put in almost the whole of it, because you know it had a little stretchy, man. Whilst you put in your mozzarella on the low here now, you make sure these are not hard to dissolve because we have already grated them. So you want to make sure, say, you put in your little mozzarella and all of that. Make sure you get it all dissolved. These are not hard to dissolve. You see me? It's not hard. Now, it is time for your cheddar. And you want to have a little extra too to top off the top of the pie. So you can turn off your stove right there so now, and you want to just have it. You can remove it from your heat because you want to get it all cool down before you put it into the macaroni and the egg. So you're going to be constantly stirring right here. Take it from the heat. You don't need any more heat, and you're going to dissolve all of your cheese inside here. So you'll end up with a thick, nice, rich cheese sauce. Look at me here. I'm going to go continue stirring out this little bulk of mild cheddar that is left. And as you see, as I'm going along, you want to get a little muscle work in. If little arthritis run on your corner, your head, like for me, get too rigorous stir. This is what it looks like, and continue stirring. When I return, we'll be incorporating our cheese sauce, and we are going to put this thing right in our pie dish, and we are going to be putting it into our oven. The oven done signal we just know that it's been preheated. Men soon come. We are back. This is our cheese sauce. Okay? Not properly cool. It doesn't have to be fully cool. You just don't want it too boiling hot. Let us put some in there, and you don't put all at once. You know how I do my thing. And you gradually come now, and as gentle and cool as it look and nice, you want to just keep folding it in. Fold it in, folding it in. You get the whole picture? all of that. Let's go fold in the rest of this and return to you. I'm soon come. You want to get all your sauce in there because you want it all moist, and going into the oven, you want it all moist. You don't want it going to the oven dry out, because you're going into the oven now, you're going to be baking. So you want moisture in there to keep it together. You don't want it dry out and all of them something there. Okay? Now look at this. This is what we have. Properly incorporated, heavily greased pie dish right here. Make we put some in it. This is so heavy, but I'll just do it like this. No problem. You're supposed to be ready now after you watch this video. Don't worry about it. I leave for you. I felt I use a pound of each cheese, but I leave it for you in the description. Okay? Sometimes we don't get to put it in the description at the same time, but we always do. What you want to do as you go along, you want to pat it down. We want it get compact, because when it's finished, we need to slice this and take it out as a slice of mac and cheese pie. I'm going to go now. I might have a little left over. You can use your foil tin and get a little extra one. Okay, we're through, and we want to get it all pressed down. You want to get it all compact, pressed down. You want to get it all pressed down. Right on here now, you have your little extra mozzarella, so you want to do your thing. You don't know how to do this already, eh? So I'm going to finish this and then finish top it off with the mild cheddar. You want to put a reasonable amount of it, and I'm going to come back to it, eh? Mild cheddar time, and you make sure you get it all, because you know this is going to get the color at the top, you know. So you make sure everywhere is covered with the mild cheddar. This is what is going to give it the topping. So you make sure you spend a little time and make sure so it's all evened out. So we'll come back again, man. Okay, now this is our mild cheddar look. A little paprika. Try to go even out. Nobody junk it down on it like say a doctor prescribed. No, the doctor not prescribed. Just you're gonna put it sparingly top it around the little sides. This is gonna give it a beautiful color when it comes from the oven. We don't want no more because they ain't prescribed the paprika on this to it. We're good like that. Light, you do the paprika light, okay? Now you cover loosely with your foil wrap. 45 minutes, 30 minutes with the foil wrap on, and 15 minutes with the foil wrap off. When you see your snakes, already this ready for me. Okay, now family, we are just out of our oven, and you realize that we had, full up to the top, so we would have the spill. So that's why I told you to reinforce or to make preparation for the spill inside the oven. Now the little that we had left, this is what I was telling you about. These are the foil tins. So you can just put one in there when it's cool. It's good for your kids. Your kids would love this. You can make this, put in your lunch pan, your kids' lunch box. Hello, get creative in your kitchen. Camera girl is picking you all from head to foot. Now let us test this. This is how you want your top to be looking. You see, nice, pretty, and the little extra. So we're going to leave it to cool. It's going to cool down to a certain temperature. So when you see me next, I'll be taking out a slice. But I guarantee you will not be seeing this. Because she said, Mom, I need this. Okay? So, this is basically the finished look. So when we could return, slice out, see what it looks like. You tell me what you like about it when we return. But in the comments section. Well, I will return to show you, but you tell me in the comments. Let's soon come. We are back, family. And we had to take out a piece for somebody. They were here and they had to leave. They definitely had to leave, and they just would not wait. So we had, it was like, our very, very, very good friend. So here we have it. What it looks like when you take out a slice as it cools down. It's still not properly cooled. If you look, you will see where we took it. And as it cools down, as it gets colder, you get a better slicing. This is how I like my mac and cheese pie. I don't like my mac and cheese. Camera girl, can you shoot them up on the side? We have the texture here and all of that. We have a crust at the top, and it comes out with a slice. And that is why I call it my mac and cheese pie. Now, if you have liked this video, I'd like you to give it a thumbs up. Remember to make sure you're subscribed to the Jamaican cooking journey. When you do subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell. That is how you'll be notified each time a video is uploaded. Remember to watch the videos almost to the end, if not to the end. okay, to be on the notification, you know, to make sure your notification is sent out to you. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support. I'm awaiting your comments as I go through. So if you'd like to get on to me, I know everything is there, not for this. I leave in the description for you. And the video that I posted prior to this one, we're going to be putting right now everything that we use in the description also for this one. So other than this, if you want to hook me up on Instagram or you want to send me an email, that is how you'll get through to me for now. Everything I've done thoroughly for you. This is how you do it. You have your nice crust at the top of all of that, and you slice it as it goes. Look at it. As you go, you get it sliced, and it has that nice look, nice and everything. It's so nice and all of that. Now I've got to go eat myself a slice of this. I mean, I've got to look at Dr. Ferrari to cholesterol pill, because you know, but this is something that hardly anyone can resist. But the point is, don't do it too often, family. This, don't do it too often, okay? When you use this, you don't need rice and peas, you don't need potato salad. This is just a staple by itself with so many cheese and stuff. Do your thing, enjoy life. You only live once, YOLO, okay? Debbie from Donga Yard, bless, no stress.